Okay, I'm outside. It's getting close to sunset, and I was going to tell you that we could listen to the sounds of spring, but I think the birds heard me and most of them left. But when I stepped out the door, there was a bunch of birds right in this bush, and then they flew over there. And now you can hear the one singing up there. And then there's one further up on the top thing. I hope you have your sunglasses on for the sunset. But this was supposed to be the sounds of spring. The sounds of spring, as spring is springing. Oh, there's a cardinal right there on the bush there. My favorite bird. Now you can hear them. See, they like my singing. They came back. And of course, it is a windy holiday, so you hear the whistling of the wind. And there's an airplane up in the sky. I don't know if I can find it on here or not. Oh, there comes another bird. Oh, look. Oh, that's a baby cardinal. That's a different cardinal than the one that was there before. I don't want to get up and go toward them, but see, there's a female cardinal there on the... Did I get it in the picture? I'm a horrible photographer. I mean, a videographer. But anyway, so there was a male and a female cardinal right there on that bush. I hope it showed up in the video, and then you see that big tree there. That's the one I took pictures of the other day, where there was a bird on the tree limb. And when you go by that tree, sometimes you can hear a bunch inside the tree. And again, that would be the perfect Christmas tree. So, Megan, if you want this Christmas tree, let Big Steve and Brandon and Johnny, I forgot your husband's name, how embarrassing. Hey, Johnny. Have all of them come over one day, and I'm friends with the lady who lives there, so I can distract her. See, there's a bird right there on that end. I can distract her while they cut it down, so you can see the birds on there. And of course, there's the birds flying around, and you see it right there on the bush. So that's what happens. And then there's one right on that tree limb, just like it was the other day. I think it makes such a pretty picture. But right now I'm trying to get the sounds of spring, and I'm trying to talk with my inside voice so as not to startle. Oh, there's one up on the... So anyway, that is the sounds of spring, and I hope you enjoyed this little video. Oh, there's another one flying by. Okay, so this is right at about sunset, so I hope you have your glasses on. That is sunset. So it is going toward the evening hour. I like that tree for some reason. I think it just looks so stark and whatever, so I've always taken pictures of that tree. But you can hear this real green bush right here near the U-Haul. I don't know who's moving. Maybe she heard I wanted to cut down her tree and she's moving, because a U-Haul has been there all day. And again, there are birds all in that green tree. So, okay, that'll be it for today. And tune in tomorrow. You never know where I'll be or what I'll video.